Hello students. Next topic is saving and investment. In equilibrium, planned investment equals saving, that is I equals to S. This condition applies only to an economy in which there is no government and no foreign trade. That is, this condition applies only in a two-sector model where aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment. Here I try to give a brief explanation of saving investment curve. In the upper panel you can see that the equilibrium is achieved at point E where y equals to AD, and in the lower panel at this point saving is equal to investment. For all the level of output below this equilibrium level, output produced is less than aggregate demand, and in the lower panel saving is less than investment. In the same way, for all the level of output greater than this equilibrium level, output produced is greater than aggregate demand and saving is greater than investment. The equality between saving and investment can be seen directly from the national income accounting. Step 1. Since income is either spent or saved, so we can write y equals to C plus S, that is consumption plus saving. Step 2. In a two-sector model, aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment. Step 3. At equilibrium, y equals to AD, so consumption plus saving is equal to consumption plus investment. We can cancel these terms and finally we will get saving is equal to investment. If we include government and foreign trade in the analysis, then step 1, income can either be spent, saved or paid in taxes, that is y equals to consumption plus savings plus taxes minus transfers. Step 2, in a four-sector model, AD will be consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus net exports. Step 3, at equilibrium, y equals to AD, so we will write consumption plus savings plus taxes minus transfers is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus net exports. And after solving this equation, we will get this equation. For your convenience, I am solving these terms as at equilibrium y equals to AD and y is consumption plus savings plus taxes minus transfers equals to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus net exports. These terms will be cancelled out, and now savings plus taxes minus transfers minus government expenditure minus net exports and equal to investment. So you can derive this equilibrium condition, this one. Okay. So basically investment is equal to private savings plus government budget surplus, that is taxes minus transfers minus government expenditure minus net exports. Rather than using algebra, some people prefer to think in terms of a corn economy. Investment is the leftover corn that will be planted for the next year crop. The sources of this corn investment are corn saved by individuals, that is private savings, corn left over from government tax collections net of government spending, that is government budget surplus, and net corn imported from abroad, that is net imports. Thank you.